Creative and fun learning. How to juggle. Beginner tricks. On a sunny Friday morning in a bustling town, young students gathered in their creative learning classroom. The air was buzzing with excitement as they prepared to learn a new skill. Juggling. With beaming smiles and nervous glances, they sat before their juggling coach, eager to embark on this playful exploration. As the coach picked up 3 gleaming juggling balls, the students leaned forward, eyes wide with anticipation. With a graceful toss, he sent one ball into the air and easily caught it again. A wave of amazement rippled through the room as the young learners watched in awe. The coach encouraged the students to try it themselves, starting with just 2 balls. With trembling hands and wide grins, they launched the balls into the air, giggling as they struggled to find their rhythm. The room was filled with laughter and determination as each child practiced, trying again and again. As the students persevered, some began to find their rhythm and master the trick. Their faces lit up with pride as they successfully kept the balls in the air. The coach praised each one, urging them on to continue learning and refining their new skill. With their newfound confidence and a few days of practice under their belts, the students were ready for the next challenge, juggling 3 balls. With guidance from the coach, they experimented with different techniques, finding what worked best for them. The room buzzed with creativity and determination as each child attempted this more complex trick. As the students practiced and experimented, one by one they began to master the art of juggling 3 balls. The room erupted with applause and cheers as each successful learner took their turn, showing off their newfound skill in a mesmerizing display. With their new skills in hand, the students eagerly joined together to create a collaborative juggling routine. Working as a team, they passed the balls smoothly from one to another, creating a dazzling spectacle that left everyone in awe. As the routine came to a close, the students erupted into cheers and laughter, celebrating their achievements with high fives and hugs. Their faces glowed with pride as they looked back on all that they had learned and accomplished together. As they packed up their juggling balls and headed home, the students paused to reflect on the lessons they had learned. They realized that with determination and creativity, they could overcome challenges and master any skill they set their minds to. And so, they looked forward to their next creative learning adventure. The following week, the students returned to their creative learning classroom, ready to embark on their next adventure. One young learner sat quietly at her desk, contemplating her next project with determination in her eyes. She knew that whatever she chose, it would be a chance to learn, grow, and have fun. As the weeks went by, the students threw themselves into their various projects, working together to bring their ideas to life. With a mix of paintbrushes, scissors, glue, and imagination, they created masterpieces that reflected their unique talents and creativity. As the year came to a close, the students gathered in their creative learning classroom one last time. They looked around at each other, their faces glowing with pride as they reflected on all that they had accomplished together. From juggling balls to creating art, they had learned valuable lessons about perseverance, creativity, and the joy of hands-on exploration.